नमस्कार, वेलकम टू आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स। आपका आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम जिस विषय में बात कर रहे हैं वो है हिप फ्लेक्सर टाइटनेस। वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट हिप फ्लेक्सर टाइटनेस। नाउ व्हाट इज हिप फ्लेक्सर टाइटनेस इज, सो वी हैव मसल्स here and they are generally hip flexion, the muscles which take the hip in the front. So if I do this action, it is basically hip flexor. Okay, general if you see, there will be iliopsoas muscle which can be tighter, or there can be rectus femoris which is basically a two joint muscle. रेक्टस फीमोरिस और इलियोसुआस मसल्स टाइट हो जाती हैं और उसकी वजह से हिप फ्लेक्सर टाइटनेस हो जाता है। किन लोगों को होता है? पीपल हु आर नॉट सिटिंग डाउन, जो नीचे नहीं बैठते हैं, उन लोगों को हिप फ्लेक्सर टाइटनेस होता है। पीपल हु आर वर्किंग आउट टू मच, lot of leg workout, lot of squats happening, there can be hip flexor tightness. People who are not working out, hip flexor tightness. People who are not who are sitting in the chair for a very long period of time, again hip flexor tightness. आप चेयर पे बैठे रहे हैं 7-8 घंटा, पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं या फिर जॉब कर रहे हैं, तो आपको हिप फ्लेक्सर टाइटनेस होती है। In all these cases you should do what we are showing you. So how to check that whether you have hip flexor tightness? Okay, so there is something called Thomas test. हम Thomas test करते हैं hip flexor tightness के लिए. So what we do is, you come at the edge of the bed, okay, and you bring both the legs towards yourself. Okay, now drop one leg down. Okay, generally if you have hip flexor tightness, this will dangle up like this. Okay, or maximum like this. If it is coming to 90 degree and going down easily, then you don't have hip flexor tightness. That means I don't have hip flexor tightness. So that's the way you check that whether you have hip flexor tightness. So if you have hip flexor tightness, if your leg is not coming down, then what you will do is, you will take an ankle weight and you will tie, and take not 1 kg ankle weight, maybe 2 kg, 3 kg, that kinds. Okay, take the ankle weight and tie it nicely on your ankle. Okay, so what will happen is, gravity anyways pull your leg down, so you will get a stretch and your spine will be at neutral. So what you have to do is, you have to again, as I said, tuck your pelvis. So you tuck your pelvis, don't allow it to do lordosis. Tuck your pelvis and one leg up. Okay, and be in this pose for say 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes, and you can be just one leg dangling down. For my leg it is coming down easily. Okay, even I can go back, but for your leg maybe you will be dangling here, so that's okay. So let the gravity pulls your hip flexor down, and there'll be a stretch here. I can actually feel somewhere here. Yes, here. So you can do this multiple times in a day, maybe 2 or 3 times, and you can repeat it 3 to 4 times. That's good enough. So if you are going to the gym, आप जिम जाते हैं, तो आपको ये हिप फ्लेक्सर के लिए आपको ये एक्सरसाइज कराते होंगे, ये फ्रंट कराते हैं. This is the wrong way to do. Okay, ये सही नहीं है करने के लिए. What you have to do is, the leg will be in front. You have to tuck your pelvis. Okay, as soon as you tuck your pelvis and go front, already there will be stretch on the leg which is down. Okay, you need not go front. अगर आप front जाओगे तो lumbar lordosis ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. The posture of lumbar will change. So let the core be tight. Tuck your pelvis and go front, and there will be hip flexor stretch. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, relax, keep breathing in and out, and after 30 seconds you can relax. So the only movement here is tuck your pelvis and core tucked in and spine straight. Okay, so do that and there will be hip flexor stretch. Static lunge. Okay, so static lunge also, we will not go all the way down. What you will do is, as I told you, tuck your pelvis in, so your spine straight, core tight. Okay, now you put one leg in front. Okay, you will put, and you will start bending it, and don't allow yourself to go forward. So chest is here and keep tucking the pelvis in, and you will have a stretch here at the hip flexor. Okay, if I want to show you with the other leg, I can show you. So this leg goes front. Okay, now I have tucked it, core tight, spine straight, and now I will bend the knee. I am already having a stretch here, a nice one actually. So you can hold this stretch for 30 seconds to a minute. Make sure you're not going back, your spine tucked. It's good stretch. So next pose we will be doing in prone lying. उल्टा लेट के पेट के बल पे लेट जाइए, और आप योगा बेल्ट यूज कर सकते हैं या घर में कोई दुपट्टा है तो उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन फिक्स इट ऑन योर एंकल. तो अगर आपका राइट लेग अफेक्टेड है तो राइट लेग में, अदरवाइज लेफ्ट लेग हिप फ्लेक्सर टाइटनेस है तो लेफ्ट लेग में, और उसको पकड़ के अपनी तरफ खींचे. ओके, सो यू शुड पुल इट टुवर्ड्स योरसेल्फ सो दैट देयर इज ऑलवेज रिमेंबर your spine has to be neutral. So lie down and then do it. Okay, as much as possible. 30 seconds to a minute hold and then relax. For me it is easier to do it because I can actually use my hand and pull it. So if you can use your hand and you find it easier, then you can use your hand. If you find it difficult this way, you can even do it on the sideways where you take it. So इससे क्या होगा, rectus femoris, so quadriceps and iliopsoas both will get actually stretched. Okay, so always remember rectus femoris is 2 joint muscle, both knee and hip, and iliopsoas is 1 joint muscle. Stretch it nicely. Next is you can use a foam roller. Okay, and if you find too much of tightness, then there are many types of foam roller that we will discuss later, but anyways, you can roll it right from the start of your thigh till your knee. Okay, start of the thigh till your knee in the front portion. Okay, and do this for say 2 to 4 minutes. That's should be good enough. Where you find too much of pain or stiffness, you can actually hold it and keep it there for some seconds. That's also okay. So you can do this 2 to 4 minutes. So remember, if you have hip flexor tightness, you can do these things. अगर आपको hip flexor tight है तो you can start doing these things. See, I'm using a ball and trying to roll it over. वो भी loosen up करता है along with foam roller. So you can use the ball as well. तो अगर आप ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज करते हैं या कम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, नीचे नहीं बैठते हैं और बहुत देर तक काम कर रहे हैं, सो दीज एक्सरसाइजेज विल बी वेरी वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट डू द थॉमस टेस्ट. आप थॉमस टेस्ट करिए, आप देखिए आपको हिप फ्लेक्सर टाइटनेस है, और उसके बाद आप ये एक्सरसाइजेस रेगुलर बेसिस पे कर सकते हैं. प्लीज 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 सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल आरोग्या फिजियो टिप्स एंड शेयर आवर वीडियोस विद फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, फ्री में है, करिए. और हम डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में फोम रोलर का डिस्क्रिप्शन, योगा बेल्ट का डिस्क्रिप्शन डाल देंगे. इफ यू वांट टू बाय, यू कैन परचेज थिंग्स फ्रॉम देयर. Okay, thank you so much. We will see you in next video. Bye.